All right, today we're going to bring a docking station, but it's not a connection. It's actually to cool down your laptop, all right, or your tablet. So right, we have a thermal camera. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this thing. This thing comes off, right, and you get different levels depending on your laptop where the fan sits, all right. This fix is a fix, if you guys can see that. And USB goes in here, power button goes on, but it needs power, right? You do need USB. So you can use the same USB as a laptop and just plug it in. Just make sure you're aware where your laptop's fan are. And we are going to use a computer here that the fans are pretty much located on the top and it heats up. I'm going to show you a thermal camera area. Most of the times it heats up right here in this area. All right. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. So the highest level, we're going to, instead of the bottom, we're going to go up to the top. And these are little rivets that go in there. They have little springs, all right? So we're going to face it down. It turned on one level, two, just two levels, all right? So that's one level one. And we're going to let it run. And then we're going to bring the laptop in here. And you could feel that spring in here, if you guys can see that. So we're going to go ahead and do a thermal camera test and see how it looks now and see if it cools down any of the center. All right, so I wanted to see how hot it gets my laptop. This is with the actual thing on, but I haven't turned it on. So the majority of it heats up in here. I'm gonna show you underneath the actual laptop. You guys can see that it's super hot underneath. So we're gonna turn these fans on right now. Now let's take a look at the temperature of the actual system. So I feel it cool here. Compared to my hand, it's about 60 to 70. There you go. You guys can see that. So this is the majority. This part is really cold. Like this thing gets really, really cold. Like really, it's compared to the other things. This is where the air comes out, but it's concentrating everything on there because it has a radiator on there. Aluminum radiator, everything goes in here, so it's not gonna heat up your laptop. It's gonna actually feel good. It's like if it's cooling down the CPU kind of thing. I like that option. So when you put your laptop in there, and we are gonna put our laptop in there. Laptop, this is in the back of the laptop, but it doesn't get cool in the back, and it gets in the front, which we still have to set up our laptop here. All right, so we did drop temperature right now. It just turned it on right now. So this is our other device that heats up. If you can see it, our monitors are heating up, but I'll mostly concentrate here. This is where I want to eliminate some of the heat. And the cold temperatures are going to be sucking the air in the bottom and the back, and it's going to front to the front. So making a difference, it's changing. We'll come back in 20 minutes, see how it looks. All right, it dramatically changed the whole effect of it. If you guys can see, it's not red or highlighted. It's actually cooling down. So the fans are working very well. This is the laptop, and I'm doing updates on purpose so we could hear the fans running. The majority of the fans that you're gonna hear running are the fans that are built into the actual cooling system, but it's working. It's keeping everything a little bit colder than what it was before. So center's always gonna be hot, but now I don't see that red, orange, highlighter orange like it was earlier. All right, let's take a look at some of the features that the docking station has. Look at that. It has a heavy duty metal plate in the bottom. The actual side angle is very flush, if you guys can see it. You could twist all the way through. You can see the controls in the back, the power button, and the LED lights, everything indicating that it's on. Right now we have it power, so we can connect the power directly from your laptop, but you're gonna drain your laptop battery or have it independent. Now, when you're on the sideway, they give you the actual tools that you could bring it lower. You can lower this down to a eye level if you want. Manage to move it any direction. Fan, you can move it up and down any angle. And this is cold as it is. This part right here is to hang on, and there's a rubber ledges here on this end. So one of the great things about it is that you can put it on anybody's eye level. So this is generating a lot of cold air here, which I like about it. So adjust how you want to put your laptop to cool down, and it's going to last you for a long time. Very simple, easy solution for your laptop. I hope you guys enjoy the video.